In this tutorial, we will show you how users and admins can search their Wavelength network to find classmates, mentors, and friends. We will walk through the search results page and some basic user and admin searches. The home page has buttons to the most frequent searches. Clicking any of these buttons will take you to the search results page. You can also access search via the top search bar. On the Find Members card, a user can search for everyone, people in their class, or people near them. Admins have quick links to people who have signed in, have missing or invalid information, or have sourced emails. Learn more about sourced emails in our data and privacy tutorial. The search results page has three main components: the results, a map showing the results, and a compose email button for admins. Learn more about the compose button in our communication tutorial. The results are personalized to you. For this demo, I went to Harvard. You can see what data is available, along with help text outlining why these people matched. Results are ranked based on both relevance and how well you might know them. Profiles with locations are populated on an expandable map. Clicking a search result page or a map indicator will open the constituent's profile. The profile page is the most up-to-date version of alumni data. It includes organization data, data from across the internet, and any updates constituents or admins have made. From a profile, you can copy contact information, visit a social profile, or search connected people like classmates or coworkers. Users can change their privacy settings to show or hide this data. You can search anything on a profile. For instance, you can search for industry, company, position, or contact details. Leaving the search field blank will return everyone. When you search for a location, you can limit your search geographically by adding the word near before the location. This eliminates results that might have the location elsewhere in their profile. For instance, Boston University results will not show when searching near Boston. You can search for many class years by inputting them individually or typing a range. Wavelength has concept search, so even if you search for lawyers, all people associated with the law profession are included, such as attorneys, paralegals, and those with JDs. Admin searches help you get better perspective on usage and data on Wavelength. These are available on your homepage, but you can also type the search terms into the search bar. Wavelength has many use cases that are easy to accomplish by adding together the various search terms. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. To find all engineers in San Francisco, type engineers near San Francisco. Your search will include people related to engineering within 50 miles of the city. To find all the young alumni in Seattle, you could search 2010 to 2018 near Seattle. Wavelength Search lets you take full advantage of your data so people can network and communicate effectively within your organization. Please email chris@searchwavelength.com if you have any questions.